Today we've been working with University of Abertay forensic science course just to give them a bit of a demonstration as to chemistry in action for an explosive power demo, and then also a bit of capability demonstration as to what we can offer for forensic ability, but also the pitfalls that come with EOD and maintaining a forensic scene.
What we have is a unique relationship with the EOD from the British Army. They bring vast amount of experience and expertise, which the students, it's clear how much they benefit from it.
So I think if you don't see it, it's very hard to understand what happens when you either disrupt a device or you watch an explosion and you can see the actual damage that it will cause.
One of the modules on the forensic science degree course is to examine in depth damage sustained and the forensic evidence which may be recoverable at such scenes, and to allow the students out into the field, to come out of the classroom, to us is just a great opportunity.
Working with people that are studying forensic science and eventually go into the field, we'll constantly cross paths throughout our careers. So it's a really good opportunity for us to start building links.
It's this partnership between industry and academia which is incredibly important.